Hey everybody, it's Chad Schottke. We're here at Flow-Rite headquarters, and today we're going to be talking about the marine kitting capabilities. Flow-Rite's marine kitting is one of the best ways for builders to take advantage of our products. The marine kits consist of all the requested components, fittings, spray heads, aerators, drains, and more, plus the pre-assembled hose assemblies to meet the needs of your specific boat model. Each kit is packaged in a single box marked with the Flow-Rite part number, your part number, and purchase order number. Rather than ordering and maintaining dozens of part numbers for each boat model, you only need to order a single part number per boat. Some of the main benefits OEMs see when using our marine kitting is inventory management. You're now getting all of your plumbing under one part number. This allows you to easily manage your boat models coming up and having a simple installation. Some of the added benefits you'll see are the cost savings in labor with the simple and ease of a quick connect installation. If you're interested in learning more about our marine kitting capabilities, contact Tim Pitcher or myself, and we'd be happy to come out, address some of your models, look at the current plumbing, take our measurements, and then provide you with a quick connect kit so that you could see all the features and benefits yourself.